March 23rd of the year 1889 became a revolutionary day in the history of the world religion. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, foretold that the Mahdi will appear in the 14th century of Islam. God gave permission to Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad of Qadian, on whom be peace, to announce that he was the awaited promised Messiah and Mahdi. On Saturday, 23rd March 1889, was the momentous day when Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, the promised Messiah alayhi salam, accepted the hands of 40 faithful servants in allegiance to the 10 conditions of Bayat, initiation, and founded the community which he called the Ahmadiyya Muslim Community. Every year, the Ahmadiyya Muslim community celebrates Yawm Masih Maud, the promised Messiah's Day, around the globe, in order to commemorate the advent of the promised Messiah alayhi salam. This year, Jamia Ahmadiyya Sierra Leone celebrated Yawm Masih Maud, the promised Messiah's Day, on the 28th March 2021. The program was chaired by Mukarram Mubarak Ahmad Guman Sahib, the principal of Jamia Ahmadiyya Sierra Leone, and it started with the recitation of the Holy Quran by Muhammad Yero.
وآخرين منهم لما يلحقوا بهم وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Followed by an Urdu poem written by the promised Messiah alayhi salam, presented by Usman Kamara Sahib.
सब गैर है वही है एक दिल का यारी जानी दिल में मेरे यही है सुबहाना मैं यरानी.
The first speech was delivered by a Jamia student, Muhammad G. Kamara Sahib, about the importance of the appearance of the promised Messiah alayhi salam.
The essence for his coming is that God had appointed him to remove all the malices that afflict the relationship between God and his creature.
Then Mukarram Sheikh Zafir Sahib, a Jamia lecturer, spoke about the promised Messiah's extraordinary habits of hard work.
The one of the greatest things, from the root of his all knowledge, was Holy Quran. One of his son, Hazrat Mirza Sultan Ahmad, says that I have no doubt that my father, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, has read the Holy Quran more than 10,000 times in his life.
Followed by a qasida written by the promised Messiah alayhi salam in praise of his master, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, presented by students of Jamia Ahmadiyya Sierra Leone.
لا شك أن محمدا خير الورى ريق الكرام ونخبة الأعيان.
محمد لا جرم خير الورى عالی مقام ایک وہی تو برگزیدہ اور چنیدہ ہے امام.
Another speech was delivered by Mukarram Suleiman Kamara Sahib, a lecturer of Jamia Ahmadiyya Sierra Leone, about the promised Messiah as a champion of Islam. The keynote address was delivered by Mukarram Mubarak Ahmad Guman Sahib, the principal of Jamia Ahmadiyya Sierra Leone, in which he made mention of the importance of the 23rd March in Jamaat Ahmadiyyat and the initiation of the Bayat.
23rd March is a founding day in Jamaat Ahmadiyya, celebrated all over the world. Promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam, as Maulvi Sulaiman Sahib has explained in detail, that he has established himself as a champion of Islam. And many divine scholars and saints, they have expressed their hope in him.
Towards the end of the program, a question and answer session was held in which students of Jamia Ahmadiyya Sierra Leone got the opportunity to ask questions and received satisfactory answers. The program ended with silent prayer led by Mukarram Mubarak Ahmad Guman Sahib, the principal of Jamia Ahmadiyya, Sierra Leone. Reporting for MTN News, Hassan Sisi, Sierra Leone Studios.